While the United States was one of the first countries to ban Narendra Modi's entry into their territory owing to Gujarat riots of 2002, but as exit polls now predict BJP's sweep, it seems the US too is warming up to the person who could be the next Prime Minister of India.
This week, President Barack Obama faces the prospect of having to congratulate a leader who was once barred from the United States ever since the 2002 riots. In a precedented diplomatic move, Obama said that the American government was looking forward to working with the next government in India. While the American president didn't name the BJP or Narendra Modi, the statement comes after major exit polls showed Narendra Modi set to become Prime Minister.
We view our relationship with India as one that's vitally important for economic, strategic reasons, and one that we look forward to continuing to grow in the future.
Modi, remember, was shunned by the West for years after the Gujarat riots and was denied a US visa in 2005. But his rise on the national stage, however, and the importance of relations with India, which the United States sees as a key counterbalance to China and Asia, have forced a rethink. The US State Department has repeatedly declined to spell out whether it will issue a visa to Modi as Prime Minister, but the end of the boycott in February this year with this handshake set off speculation that things are changing. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.